everyone. How are you? Hope you're all doing good. So, we have completed our previous lesson that was goal. Now, we are moving on to the next lesson that is they live for us. Who is living for us? Yes, in this lesson, we'll be learning about lots of things that we daily use that we get from some animals, insects, and all. Once you complete this lesson, you'll be grateful to all the animals around us for giving us one thing or the other. So let us see how animals and insects are helping us.
So, our next lesson, they live for us, Unit 4. Actually, some of the things what we studied about animals. Actually, men take different animals or animal parts as food. Sheep have long and thick hairs on their body. Rhinoceros and deer have horns. Animals have different patterns on their body. Yes. Man collects honey from hives of honeybee. Here in this lesson we are going to study about some of the animals that produces different things and we are taking that for making different objects. First is based on dyes. Do we produce color from animals? Of course, we can. That food made with crushed bugs, you know that? Actually, a lot of things, colors in liquids, ice creams, yogurts, candy, that is made from these bugs. The farmers are growing the bugs and making the red color powder. This dye is used for making colors for food items and also for clothes. It is like a fuzzy on the cacti. This is the bugs. How we are making dye that we have to just look. So first step, with the help of gloves, we have to collect that white fuzzy balls that is growing on the cacti. It has that coat to protect itself from the predators. Yes, the bugs are sitting like that to escape from the predators. As you can see, the cochineal dye making red color. So pick individually each cochineal and dry it. Okay, after the cochineal is dried, use a mortar to make the cochineal into powder. Like this. Okay, we have to make it like a powder. Then only we have to make a dye. You can buy dry cochineal if you don't have that product readily. Okay, so just make it as a powder. This is a bug, a living organism that one producing dye. These dye we are going to make dye fabric colors and for colors for some of the food items like candies, yogurts, and ice creams, liquors like that. So we have to crush it that one to make powder. Yes, smoothly we have to crush it. By adding the red dye powder with water, it creates a reddish color, but if you add them lemon, it completely changes it. Okay, that reddish color, now we can see that reddish color with water. Okay, it is so red. If you add some lemon to that, it will make and it will give some slight color. Just look, a slight red color. Yes. Okay. Can you see? Yes. And we can add this one to water, hot water, and mix very well. Here we have our dye water. We can add more powder for making red color suitable for the clothes and all. Okay. That is colors that animals are producing colors, and that colors we are properly using to make dyes, not only for clothes and all, we are using that one for, yes, food items also. Last step, add your pieces of fabric and mix and boil. Boil longer for a darker red. For darker red, we have to boil it. Okay. So we will get a proper fabric, of proper red color fabric. Final results of dyeing these fabric with cochineal. Okay. Wash the dyed ones. Okay.